Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to delete Threads account without deleting Instagram. Okay, first things first, open up your Threads app. Then, head to your profile by pressing it on the interface below. And then from here, what you are gonna do is head to your settings. Once you are here, what you are going to do next is you are going to press account. Now that you are in your account settings, what you want to press is the deactivate profile. And in here, as you can see, there is a message that says it will not affect your Instagram profile. Basically, you are going to deactivate your Threads account since Threads doesn't offer permanently deletion of account as of now. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now delete Threads account without deleting Instagram. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.